Hey guys, I'm Nisa Homey. Today I'm sharing an easy and healthy Palak rice, ideal as a healthy meal for lunch or for dinner. So let's get started with the recipe. Into my small chutney grinder, I'm adding in 1/8 cup water. I'm adding in 1 cup roughly chopped fresh palak leaves, and I'm going to blend the palak leaves. Okay, now I have blended the palak leaves into a fine puree. I'm going to keep this aside. I'm heating my kadai with 1 tablespoon wood pressed groundnut oil. Instead of wood pressed groundnut oil, you can use any locally sourced wood pressed oil of your choice. Once the oil is heated, I'm adding in half teaspoon saunf, also known as perunjeeragam in Malayalam, half teaspoon jeera, also known as cumin seeds. And once it splutters, add in some spices. I'm adding in a small piece of mace, a small piece of cinnamon, 2 cloves, and 2 lightly crushed cardamoms. Give it a stir. 8 garlic cloves chopped, half-inch ginger chopped. Give it a stir. 1 medium-sized onion finely chopped. 4 green chilies slit. 1 teaspoon pink Himalayan salt. Give it all a good mix and allow the onions to saute until they start to turn transparent or light pink in color. Once the onion starts to turn transparent or light pink in color, I'm adding in a sprig of curry leaves. I'm tearing the curry leaves and adding in so that the flavors are released. Give it a stir. Add in the palak puree. Give it a stir. Cover for about a minute so that the palak puree is cooked. About a minute later, open the lid, give it a stir and allow it to saute for about 2 minutes so that the moisture in the palak puree is nicely absorbed. 2 minutes later, the moisture has been absorbed. To this, I'm adding in 2 cups of cooked thooyamalli rice. Thooyamalli rice is a traditional variety of rice which has the most B vitamin. You can use any locally sourced hand pound rice of your choice in this recipe. You can also use cooked basmati rice instead of the rice I'm using. Did you know that leftover cold rice which has been stored in the refrigerator is a good source of resistant starch? Resistant starch helps in good gut health and also helps in weight loss. I've already shared many videos on the health benefits of resistant starch. Please do check it out to understand more. Once nicely mixed, turn off the flame. Squeeze in half a lemon. Lemon juice will help to enhance the nutrition of the palak leaves. And my healthy palak rice is ready to serve. So guys, do try this healthy palak rice and let me know in the comments how it turned out. Thank you for watching and until next time, take care. Bye-bye.